Hello guys, Meteorology Unleashed here. Today I'm coming here for another live update about some severe to damaging weather we have for today. So let's get right into it. So right now we have an enhanced risk for these bad storms. This goes for New Orleans, Baton Rouge, Montgomery, Alabama, Mobile, Jackson, Mississippi. The slight goes into Huntsville, Birmingham, Alabama, and to Memphis, Tennessee. And then we have a marginal risk up here in the darker green. This goes to Nashville, Knoxville, and areas such like that. And then we go into our tornado risk, which is a 10% hatched risk for Baton Rouge, New Orleans, Mobile, Jackson, Mississippi, and other parts of Mississippi. And then we go into our 5%, and then we have areas like Birmingham, Montgomery, Tallahassee, Tuscaloosa, Alabama. And then we have a 2% risk here in Huntsville, Alabama, Memphis, and areas like that, where we'll see not a lot of tornadoes, but we could see a few spin-up tornadoes. Then we have our 30% hatch risk here in the black dotted lines for Baton Rouge, Montgomery, Alabama, Mobile, Alabama, Jackson, and other parts like that. And then we have the entire state of Mississippi under a 5% hail watch, and we've got in Baton Rouge and other parts. So let's go to Radar Omega, and we will see we've got one tornado warning. I will look into this. So here's our tornado warning. Y'all need to get in shelter if you are under a tornado warning. This is a radar indicated tornado warning, not a hail signature on it or anything. But y'all need to get into your safe spots because there could be a tornado. You want to get to the lowest place in your house and get between as many walls as you can, because you do not want to get around one of these things because they are really dangerous. We'll see if we have any signature on it. Not on the base velocity. Let's see if we got anything on the correlation coefficient. Not much on the correlation coefficient. Out of my 3 viewers, please let me know if I'm freezing up at any point in this live stream, because I would like to know. So please just let me know. I am trying to work out all the bugs in this live stream. So okay. Okay, I think I fixed it. I'm not positive, though. Test, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think I fixed it. I'm going to go into Vents Cam. Doesn't look like much is happening. Okay. I'm going to see where. Okay, we have a special weather statement up here. We've got this severe weather moving into Tennessee. Right now it is in Parsons, Clifton, Tennessee area, Paris, Tennessee, and it's going to continue to move towards Nashville, Dixon, Columbia, Mount Pleasant, Hohenwald, Lewisburg, Chapel Hill, and areas like that. So if you know anybody in these areas, just let them know that there is going to be some major weather coming. Okay. Give me 1 minute and I'm going to do something. Okay, guys, give me 1 minute. I'm trying to fix some stuff. So here's the GFS model we've got. So this is just going to show us all the bad weather that is coming. So it looks like tomorrow morning, late morning hours, we're going to see some severe weather coming in to Tennessee and into areas like Birmingham and Montgomery. So we'll just continue to keep this going. Okay guys, so here we go. And then this will all move out by Thursday. We might see some snow up here in Knoxville, Tennessee, Thursday. Probably like a light dusting, not severe, but probably just like a small light dusting. And then we'll just continue through the week, and then maybe Saturday we might see some showers, low showers, and then as we go on through the week, it should be fairly sunny in parts of the US, and yeah, it looks pretty nice. With that, I will show you the HazCam. Okay, so here is here's the HazCams and just all the weather. It's got a radar on it, but these are just some of the cameras that we've got. We've got Chris Jackson there and all that bad weather up there. He's also in that tornado warning too. I'm just checking on that. So there we go. But yeah, this is some really strong winds we've got today, and really strong weather we've got coming through the United States, through Baton Rouge areas, parts of the US like that. So just, we are keeping an eye on that for you. So I'm just continuing to keep my eye on that tornado warning over here. I'll go back to it. We might have a little debris signature over here in the red and green, over in there in that area. Nothing too major, but if it is a tornado, y'all need to stay in your safe spot, because these things are really dangerous. We have seen one, I think, already produced today, so keep your eye on that. So I'm just continuing to keep my eye on these severe thunderstorms. We'll go back to the highway. Let's go to outlooks and monitoring. So we will turn on tornado watch. So here's all the tornado watch areas they have issued. It goes all the way up into, it goes all the way into Starkville, Columbus, Mississippi. So yeah, y'all keep an eye out on those storms. We'll turn that back off because that's just a lot they've got issued at the moment, so we'll just keep that off. Okay, I will do we got a good bit of cloud cover with these storms. As you can see, all this cloud cover we've got going on associated with these storms. I will turn that feature back off. Oh, so I turn that back off, and then we will. So Baton Rouge, you are about to get hit with some of this bad weather, so keep on the lookout for all that, because that is heading your way probably, I would say, in the next 5 to 10 minutes maybe. Yeah, so keep your eye on that, and I will continue to watch the radar for y'all. Okay, so yeah, probably in the next 30 minutes maybe now. Just continuing just to look with the severe side of the weather. Y'all might see it in a few minutes. So just keep your eye out. Okay, I think I have fixed almost all the bugs in the live stream. So we are just continuing to monitor that. See if we've got any cameras, as this is really close to approaching, this bad weather is approaching Columbia, Tennessee, and areas like Nashville and Franklin. So just continue. Okay. Okay. Okay, give me 1 minute, y'all. Okay, I think I might have fixed it. Oh, I got it fixed. Sorry about that, guys. And then let me do something really quick. Test, test, can you hear me? Okay, guys, give me like a few more minutes. We are continuing to keep an eye on this storm near Macomb and Summit, Mississippi. It will expire in 26 minutes, so just stay in your shelter, and we are continuing to keep an eye on that. Okay. Also, please don't forget to share this live stream because we are trying to get it out, the word out to as many people as possible. So please do not forget to share the stream. Okay guys, give me like 2 minutes. And I'm going to fix some stuff. On this, and we are still continuing to watch that. So yeah, we're just continuing to keep our eye on that storm for today, because this is a really high amount of weather that we are seeing for today. Okay, I think I got it fixed. Okay, so we still got that tornado warning and all this bad weather. Okay. Okay. Okay, here is a camera I found. So this is in Mississippi. This is the Mississippi EMA camera. We've got it, a camera there so we can see that live weather that's going on. Okay, we are still continuing to keep an eye on that storm. If you are in any of the areas in Mount Pleasant, Columbia, Chapel Hill, Spring Hill, y'all are going to see the rain in about 100 minutes, so it'll be a little ways out before y'all still see very bad weather. But we are still continuing to keep an eye on that. Okay, so let me see if I can find. go to Vince's cam, and he's giving us a live look at that weather that we're seeing. So y'all can see all that bad rain he's hitting right now. You can see all the all the clouds, sorry about that, the clouds and all that bad rain. Give me 1 minute. Okay, guys, sorry I had to do something right there. So let me do something really quick. Okay, so we are just continuing to keep our eye on this weather alert. We've got this tornado warning and a bunch of other warnings that we're continuing to watch. So we are just watching it. We're just continuing to keep our eye near this bad weather over here, because we do have lots of bad weather near Macomb and areas like that. Here is Vince. He is right now in the worst of the storm. So he is going out. here is a tower we've got in Pleasantville, Tennessee, and then we've got one here in Centerville. So it doesn't look like too much damaging winds or bad weather. So okay guys, bear with me 1 minute. Test, can you still hear me? Okay. So yeah, we're just continuing to keep an eye on that bad weather. Looks like Vince made it to Macomb, Mississippi, and he's just giving us a live look at the rain, that extreme rain. Okay, yeah, so we're just watching all that rain and that bad weather. Uh, so we got this kind of concerning look on this bad weather. So we're just continuing to look at that. But yeah, we're just continuing to keep an eye on that. No rotation on that storm near Clinton, but it was looking really concerning. But we're just continuing to look. I'm just looking at these fire weather outlooks. It looks like we have a extreme fire outlook here in Odessa, Texas, Eagle Pass, West Odessa, Texas. So be on the lookout for fires today. And then we've got an elevated risk up here in Pikeville, Kentucky, and Knoxville, right there. So we'll just continue to keep an eye on that. So this is just a live look in Linden, Tennessee. We're just looking at the weather down there. Doesn't look like anything too severe. But yeah, we're just continuing to keep an eye on that. And then in about 3 minutes, that tornado warning will be allowed to expire. So we've still got Brad Arnold on on the platform, and Vince is in Macomb, Mississippi. Okay, yeah, so I'm just continuing to keep an eye on that weather. But we still have Vince down here near Macomb, Mississippi. But yeah, y'all stay on the lookout for that, and I will too. But we've got Brad Arnold going up here, and he's gonna go scout out. It looks like. So we're just continuing to keep an eye on that. Okay, guys, give me 1 minute. If you hear a different sound, that'll be Brad Arnold's thing. Okay. So just let me know if you can hear this or not. I'll keep it on for a minute, and then if you can hear it, let me know in the comments. Okay. I'm pretty sure I'm actually off now. Okay, y'all, just let me know if you can still hear me.